Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Hisense Soundbar HS2000. This is 2.1 channel soundbar with 240 watts audio power. You can connect it to your TV via Bluetooth, optical cable and HDMI. This soundbar got 3 speakers with DTS Virtual S built-in subwoofer. This soundbar got 7 equalizer setting, including adaptive optimized audio. Will give your TV a boost. This 2.1 channel soundbar. You can stream music, podcasts and the likes from your phone or tablet using Bluetooth, featuring visualized built-in subwoofer, all-in-one design that blends into the home. Dolby Digital Plus, DTS Virtual S, feed the combined force of Dolby Digital Plus 7.1 and DTS Virtual S technology, creating a visualized floor-to-ceiling surround sound experience. With TV mode technology, where each player easily control your Hisense soundbar mode through your Hisense TV remote to optimize audio and dialogue. Multi-connection plug and play, Bluetooth 5.3, HDMI AUX, optical AUX can be selected to connect. So you have a lot of options. In terms of preset mode, you have music, movie, news, game, sports and night. We're going to check this stuff out, see what is inside. This is accessories box, remote control, screws, so here is the battery, AAA battery, power cable, 3-pin power cable, and this is part of the wall mount. You put this to the soundbar to be able to mount it. HDMI cable included in the packaging. Information pack. This is the soundbar here. See what it looks like. This is visual subwoofer. So it's plastic and cloth in front of it. Visual built-in subwoofer. Hisense 2.1 channel soundbar. This is what it looks like. It's not heavy. And the ports. So the power cable is the first on the left, followed by AUX, USB, HDMI, optical, and coaxial. To set this up, take this end of the cable, hook it up, connect it to AC in, push the cable inside, plug it onto the socket, take the remote control. This is the remote control. Take the battery, push the cover down, then take on the left side the negative B on the bottom, the positive on the top. On your right side, negative on the top, the positive on the bottom. Then close the cover. Now switch the soundbar on.
Power on.
And the power on. The light is highlighting here. If you haven't got the remote control, you can also select the function from the top. So you have switch this off and on. This is the input, followed by minus is for you to decrease the volume, the plus is for you to increase the volume. So we're going to measure this soundbar from this end to this is 80 centimeter. and this is 6 centimeter. From front to the back is 10 centimeter. So this is 6 centimeter. From front to the back is 10 centimeter, and from this is 80 centimeter. I want to show you how to connect this sound bar with your mobile phone using AUX cable. Take the AUX cable, connect one part of the cable, connect it to your phone, and take the other part of the cable, go to the back of the sound bar. So connect the other cable to AUX port, and it's in. Now use the soundbar remote control to select the input to AUX. USB, AUX. So now this soundbar mode is AUX. So you need to go to wherever you have your music. Once you connect the cable to the phone and other end of the cable to the soundbar, then you go to where you have the music. So select the music. This is the audio. So if you remove the cable, the music will no longer be playing. Thank you very much indeed. This soundbar is value for the money. Thank you.